This is Guinness's BarkBox for December 2018 from Medium Dogs. This is being filmed in January because the holidays are always crazy and we always film super late. I actually don't know how many more BarkBoxes he's getting. I think we're coming close to the end of our BarkBox term. But I have been very impressed with BarkBox, so we'll see. We may end up going for a little longer. I have no idea what this is. It says like little cutout things in it. I don't know what this is.
Is it like a playbill type thing?
Oh! Yeah, so the paper is like a play mat. It's like kind of a Monopoly, like board game type thing. And I think these are like play pieces. He's gonna tear up the paper before we ever get to play with it, so no point. First thing in here, I'm just gonna take this out before he eats it, is a butcher's block bones.
What is that?
It's 100% natural roasted beef steak. Yeah, I think it's just like a steak that's been dehydrated, which is awesome. He'll get this later at some point. You don't get that now, Guinness. Let's do treats first. Second thing, I guess, is the high comfort food Anya's lamb Yummies lamb dog treats. The ingredients are lamb meal, pea flour, pea starch, vegetable glycerin, gelatin, bacon fat, yum, preserved with citric acid and natural smoke flavor. Let's see. Oh, they're little hearts. How cute. That's adorable. I'm sorry, Guinness.
Are they breakable?
Can we break the hearts? We cannot break the hearts. They're very durable hearts.
Unbreakable hearts.
Huh. BarkBox really knows what it's doing. Wait.
What was that?
Wait. Beg. That was a very enthusiastic beg. Nice job, Guinness. That's cute. He was very enthusiastic for those. So yeah, these are made in the USA dog treats. As are, I think BarkBox is all made in USA and made in Canada. Let's see, what else is in here? Yes, it'd be easier if you just let me open the box. The next thing is high comfort food. See how we spelled these? You see it? High comfort food.
Oh, I see.
Bjorn's bacon and goat cheese bites. These are pork dog treats, yum. Ingredients are pork, potato starch, pea flour, coconut glycerin, flaxseed, tapioca, bacon, dried goat cheese, lactic acid, natural smoke flavor, natural bacon flavor, mix of cockles, rosemary, and extract. So, all pretty good ingredients. They also sound really delicious. Like, I don't know. I would eat these as human treats, probably, if I knew they were human grade. These ones are like these little stick shapes. Okay. And are they breakable? These are not easy to break, but they are breakable. Good boy. Oh, yeah, I can get like half. I can't really get thirds. Like, good boy. Yes. All right. So, breakability factor, not super high, but it's okay. It works. All right. And then the toys. Yeah, he's already torn up all the paper. There's no way we're using this as a board game. Guinness, I know the paper's the best part of this box, but can I get to the actual toys now? All right. The first thing, all he wants is the box. What is this? Little chestnuts on top? Chestnuts roasting over an open fire. Okay. You're playing with fire. So it has crinkly log. Oh, that makes sense. A crackly log. It has a little rope in the top. Speakers in both of the chestnuts. And speakers in the fire. That's actually really cute. I really like that. Chestnuts roasting over an open fire. Oh, okay. What's this? What's this? Oh. That'll be a really good tug toy, actually. Yeah. Yeah, get it. Get that. Get it, Guinness. He's gonna tear that apart. He has destroyed this box. This is a very dead box. Alright, last thing in here while he finishes destroying the box. Hey, Guinness, give me a second. This is Rob Van Fox. It's a little flat fox. He really likes these flat toys, actually, which is, he's going after the steak. So this is kind of cool. And this, he wants this so bad. This has a crinkly tail, crinkly body, squeaky head. Yeah! Get him! Get that fox. Get that fox. And that's it. That's December 2018 BarkBox from Medium Dogs. Happy 2018. Happy New Year. Stop trying to get in all the food, Guinness.
Nope, there he goes.